So the question asks outline one historical view of mental illness, and this is the mark scheme here. It's for 3 marks. It says candidates will demonstrate knowledge and understanding by referring to any historical view of mental illness that's been cited in the psychological literature. So the slide, you can talk about humorism, you can talk about bloodletting and purging, tree panning, burning at the stake, possession, anything like that. You basically need to make kind of 3 points. So it says accurate and detailed description of one historical view of mental illness, but 2 marks says generally accurate description, lacking some detail. So it's quite a subjective mark scheme. I probably was being a little bit harsh when I marked the marks, but essentially you kind of need to explain what one explanation of mental illness was. So say for example you say something like they believed that people were possessed with the devil and they let the devil out by tree panning, so putting a hole in the person's head. That's fine, but it lacks a bit of detail because it's not really saying and therefore that is why they're behaving in the way that they're behaving. So for example having kind of you know hearing voices or um, having erratic behaviour or whatever. There needs to kind of be some link to mental illness. So you can put the historical view, but then it needs to be of mental illness, so you kind of need to explain that bit. So I think a lot of you missed that off, so I kind of did 2 out of 3 for a lot of people. So kind of make it very, very specific to that, and then you get the marks.